Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford F-150 door handle. This is a common repair that you can easily do at home, saving you time and money. We'll walk through the entire process, from gathering your tools to the final installation, ensuring a smooth and successful replacement. Whether it's a front or rear door, the steps are quite similar, and I'll guide you through each one clearly. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather everything you'll need. You'll want a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool to protect your interior panels. Of course, have your new Ford F-150 door handle ready. First, carefully remove the interior door panel. This usually involves unscrewing a few screws and gently prying off the panel with your trim tool, being mindful of any electrical connections. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. With the interior panel off, you'll now have access to the handle's inner workings. The next step is to disconnect the door lock rod and the latch cable from the old handle. These are typically simple clips or small plastic pieces that unhook. Once those are free, locate the 2 or 3 bolts that secure the exterior handle to the door frame. Use your socket wrench or screwdriver to remove these. Then, gently slide the old handle out from the exterior of the door. It should come out without much force. Now for the exciting part, installing your brand new door handle. Carefully slide the new handle into the opening from the outside of the door, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining bolts from the inside, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Next, reconnect the door lock rod and the latch cable to the new handle, making sure they are properly seated and functional. Finally, reattach your interior door panel, securing all screws and clips. Test the new handle a few times to ensure it operates smoothly before you're done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.